Hello. Hi guys. So in the previous video, we created the required VMs in the Hyper-V. So in this video, we'll configure the AD server. So we'll create a domain and then we'll promote this server as the domain controller. Okay, so let's start. So first we need to change the IP address. So we need to provide the static IP address. So go to properties. So we're not using the IPv6, so only we can use the IPv4. So I'm disabling this option. Go for the IPv4 and properties. So I'd like to provide the 10 series, IP address. So it will be a 10.10.10. Okay. So we don't need to provide the gateway and the DNS as well. So this server will become a DNS server. Okay. So you can close this one. Close. So we need to change the system name. So click this one. Change. So mention it as ADSRV. Then OK. Okay. So restart now. So okay, fine. The name is changed. So now we can create the system roles which are required. So first we need to create the DNS role. So go for the dashboard here, left side, add roles and features. You can skip this primary screen and then click next, next. Select the DNS server, add features, next, and install. Okay, fine. So DNS is installed. Close this one. So click this one again, add roles and features. Next. So now we need to select the Active Directory, domains and services, and then add features. Now click next, and install. Okay, fine. So it is installed now. So we need to promote this server to a domain controller. So click this one. And then, so we don't need the backend window. We can close this one. So here, so we need to select the third option, add a new forest. So because this is the first domain we are creating for this lab environment. So the first domain should be a root domain. Okay, so mention the root domain name. So I'd like to mention as the lab.com. Okay, so this will be our lab domain name. Okay, so click next. So here we need to provide restore mode password. So directory services restore mode password, DSRM password. So take a note of this password. Okay, if any requirement is needed. So if any no, domain files are corrupted, we can get back to the restore mode. Okay, so click next. Next again. So click next. So default directories. So don't change anything. Click next. So it's checking the prerequisites again. Okay, fine. So it's saying all prerequisite checks are passed successfully. So click install to begin. So fine. So everything is good. Install. So it's going to restart your machine. Okay. So it's saying you are about to sign out. So system will be restarted. Okay. So just wait. So after restarting, you can log in with the domain admin. So now we need to log in with the administrator and password. So type administrator and enter the admin password. So now we are ready. So AD server is successfully configured. Okay. Okay, fine. So we'll configure the SQL server in the next video. So until then, have a great day. Bye.